Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use daumcafe first, like just the general stuff. So this is the home page, and you press that square. You press this square to add like images and stuff, whatever you want. I'm gonna add this one. Crop it. Checkity check. Then you have only 4 pictures, and then you click on this circle thing right here. Add cafe boards. You can add your favorite boards like notices or anything you want. You just need SF9. Wait for it to load. And then over here on the bottom right hand side, there's settings, your login information. The things I use is the theme settings. You can change the colors, and then you can change the language and other stuff, but that's what I mainly use for. And then this bell right here on the bottom, this bell right here is for notifications and cafe activities, new posts or messages. This heart is just blog post, all of which is Korean blog post. And then this person thing is your cafes, all you follow, boards, bookmarks, and then the home button. Okay, now into SF9's cafe. So this is the home page, and usually I do cheer my star every hour. You only get 10 every hour, and it takes a while. Gotta play it so many times. It's gonna take a while. So I only get 10 every hour. So in an hour, I can do another 10. And then over here, where it says ranking number, this is their SF9's ranking number. They're currently at 66. And this is where they are. Then usually newest are BTS or 17 or even 101 are number 1. Yep, go back. And then latest is just like the newest post. It's from the newest to like oldest. So who just posted? They just posted to SF9. Back. And then popular is just the most popular ones that are viewed or have a lot of interactions. And the image is just posts with images. And then the 3 lines over here, click it over here. This is the home button. Go back. There's chat, but there's no chat in this. SF9 doesn't have a chat. And then you can do search. You can just search random stuff. And then these are the top 3 right here are just recent ones that you just opened. and then second fantasy ones, and then this one says star schedule, which is just their calendar, but they haven't updated because it's a new feature in daumcafe. And then links are all their official links, like their FNC page, YouTube page, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Weibo, VLive page, and then the second fantasy stuff, and then FNC notice. So these stars right here, if you click on it, you can add it into your favorite and click on the bell notifications. What happened? Where'd it go? I think it closed it. Oh, there you go. Click on the bell notification, it'll automatically be your favorite. And every time they post in it, it's gonna send you a notification. I don't like turning that on unless I'm in Korea, because this notice is usually oh well, not this one. This one's fine to get information about just their albums and their teasers and stuff. I think it's this one. It tell you about fan meetings and yeah, here we go. All these fan meetings and hold up. I'm trying to read Comeback Showcase. I went to their Osola meal one, and this is where I checked. Where is it? Most of this is just like official notice for everyone to like interact. And then we come back here, schedule. This schedule will take you to FNC's calendar, which actually has stuff on here. Close. And then staff notice. Staff notice is where you'll find fan sign-ups and stuff. And what are these things? Music shows. So if you click on one, the last one, it'll tell you the date and time and how you can register to be picked for the fan sign. And I've actually gone to one during their Osola meal, the Halloween one. And then I don't know what this one or this one is. And then the event is just like special event. They want you special, just basically events. and then the SF9 board. A lot of people get this really mistaken. If you want to write something to SF9 that make like specifically a member, you click to SF9, and this is where you would write. And on the bottom right here, you write. It's gonna be to SF9, and then you can choose in the category who you want to write it to. You can write it to SF9 as a whole, or just Chani. Then you write a title, like title whatever you want. Then you just write a letter, and then up top you can post it. And usually these posts are never, when you post anything, you can't ever hide it. So you can actually read everyone's post, but the thing is, when you comment, you can. What? Oh, wait, duh. This is to SF9, so no one can really comment when you write to SF9, because only for SF9 to like reply, but they never do. And then from SF9 is usually where SF9 posts stuff. So the last thing was Jane's post, and then here you can comment, and then you can lock it so only June can see it. Then you can write stuff, and then put emojis. My favorite emojis is this frog looking thing. And then post. And so it'll be red, and you and June can only see. Okay, go back. And then official media, Secret File 9 is just like kind of behind the scenes stuff and behind the scene pictures and stuff like that. And then photos are just all the photos that SF9 and the company has posted. And then video, same thing with videos, it's all of what FNC has posted. And then here are the boards. This one, the first board, is a free board where you can just write basically anything. It's not to anyone specific or anything. Anyone can read it. And then this one is board for like people who just joined the fan cafe and haven't leveled up or anything yet. So it's similar to the free board where you can write anything. And then foreign board is for all the foreigners can like talk to each other. Like this one, I don't know about fan cafe. I want to write to SF9, but he don't see anything. Ooh, bad English. But yeah, usually, I mean, SF9 do look at the fan cafe. They just usually don't reply because like there's just too many to reply to now. Yep. And then this one, hooey. This one, I'm really not sure. This is usually posts that are late, but I don't know what they're late to. And then fan media is what fans post, like photos or videos that fans put up. And then the bottom is level up. 등업 신청 is the level up application. This is where you would need to send in your application. So write, and you need to remember to lock secret. So it's locked. And then Wanlo is the ones that got in. How did she get in? She didn't put it as secret. You're supposed to put it as secret. And then return is usually when FNC returns your thing, returns your application because you either didn't answer the question right or you didn't put it in secret. Yep, that's mostly everything. And then the settings right here is your nickname, and if you want to level up, your nickname can't have any periods or like have any space. It just has to be one, and it could one word or something with like letters and numbers, and it's either English or Korean only. And then you have to have these as members, so it's only for FNC to see, and you can't make it private. And you need to have everything checked if you want to level up. And then right here you can change your picture, use a random character, it'll like change. Yep. Go home. Ooh, I'm just gonna. Yep. So for leveling up, so right now there's only 1, 2, 3 people who needs to be reviewed. So right here, it asks for your name, your age, where you're from, and your daum ID, which is your daumcafe ID, which you log into. And then you need SF9's name. It needs to be in order of members. So it's Yongbin, Insung, Jaeun, Dawon, Rowoon, Juho, Taeyang, Huyang, Chani. It's technically, it's not by their age because Yongbin and Insung switched and Rowoon and Zuho switched. So it's by their staged placement. And then the third one is how do you know SF9? And then the last one is like supporting messages, and you need to have at least 130 characters. And then you need to keep your message a secret. And if you click on this, don't comment on there. You have to put it in here. If you click on that and comment here, they're not going to accept it. Well, that's it. Hope this helps. Bye.